How to find products to dropship on Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today, we're diving into the heart of successful dropshipping, finding winning products. But we're not just talking about any products, we're talking about products that will fly off Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started, understanding your target audience. Before we dive into product hunting, let's talk about your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? Knowing your audience will help you narrow down your product search. For example, if you're targeting moms, products related to babies, kids, or home organization might be a good fit. Leveraging Facebook Marketplace trends. Facebook Marketplace is a goldmine for product research. Here's how to use it to your advantage. Explore trending categories. Check out the most popular categories to see what's selling. Analyze competitors. Study successful listings. What are they selling? How are they presenting their products? Join buy and sell groups. Engage in conversations to understand customer needs and desires. Utilizing product research tools. While Facebook Marketplace is a great starting point, product research tools can supercharge your efforts. Let's explore some popular options. AliExpress and eBay. These platforms offer a vast product catalog and sales data. Look for products with high sales, good reviews, and reasonable prices. Dropshipping suppliers. Many suppliers provide product catalogs and sales data. Social media platforms. TikTok and Instagram can be great sources of inspiration for trending products. Niche down for better results. Finding a specific niche can increase your chances of success. Instead of selling everything under the sun, focus on a particular product category or target audience. For example, instead of selling home decor, focus on boho-style wall hangings. Product evaluation criteria. Once you've identified potential products, evaluate them based on the following criteria. Profit margin. Ensure you have enough room for profit after considering product cost and shipping. Shipping time. Faster shipping times generally lead to happier customers. Product quality. Offer products that meet customer expectations. Competition. Analyze the competition to identify opportunities. Finding the right products to dropship on Facebook Marketplace is crucial for your success. By understanding your target audience, leveraging Facebook Marketplace trends, using product research tools, and niching down, you'll be well on your way to building a profitable dropshipping business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dropshipping tips. And remember, consistency is key. See you in the next one.